back to my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to do this type of text typography on a portrait. So let's begin. So first of all, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna open this size over here. After your pages has been opened, now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna drag this portrait to my page. You can take any portrait you want. I'm just gonna take this front view portrait like this, and I'm gonna take the square right here. I'm gonna change this color to black. I'm gonna make it till the half of my page like this. But I'm just gonna fix that. Alright, it's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go in the text. I'm gonna take and add a heading. I'm gonna type in here B. I'm gonna change its font to Anton like this, and I'm just gonna set it to my portrait, and I'm gonna come back to you. I'm almost about to complete. I just need to write ELF. Believe yourself. I'm just gonna now just make another duplicate of this like this. Okay, so now it's done. I'm just gonna change its color from black to white, and I'm gonna go here in layers, and I'm gonna click on show layers. I'm gonna bring this behind my text like this, and I'm just also gonna bring this one also, but above the black one. Like this, you're gonna set it like this. You're gonna click on share, download, thing, and just click on download. After it is done, now I'm just gonna do it that I'm gonna delete all of this like this, and I'm gonna drag this from here. Alright? I'm just gonna resize it like this. Alright. Now it's done. Now what you're gonna do is that you're gonna go in your apps column. You're gonna search over here image blend like this, and you're gonna take this at the second icon over here, and I'm just gonna select this image as my top layer, and I'm gonna select this image as my bottom layer. You're gonna click on screen over here. Now it's done. Now I'm gonna add this to design. I'm gonna add a page. I'm gonna bring it down. And now let's see it. Voila! Our portrait is done. So I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends. Bye!